मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया यार आपकी आवाज। लाउडर, कम ऑन।
I'm coming from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
I come from Kochi.
I came directly from Gujarat.
I'm from Calicut. I'm from Hyderabad.
We came all the way from Kerala just for this.
The experience is awesome, out of the world. I'm so thrilled.
We got to see the entire production line, all the parts, all the things used in the system.
I was happy to see how they have done the wire bonding.
It is just so amazing to see the passion, the energy with which all of you did this challenge. आपको कमाल हो यार।
The best scooter in the world is going to become even better with Move S2 on all your scooters.
We work really hard, but the reason is all of you. Thank you.